Hello students. Now this video is to explain you your holiday homework biology class 10th. There are a total of 4 questions like Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, which are further divided. For question number 1, this you have already done it. This is just a reminder. Read chapter number 15 our environment, chapter number 16 management of natural resource, and chapter number 6 life process only till nutrition in human beings. And from where you are supposed to read and study all these chapters from your class notes. आपको क्लास नोट से करना है ये, ओके, विच इज ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू and your NCERT textbook. No need to refer to your reference book or any other internet source. उसको आपको refer करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. Just be specific. Then come to this one. All written work to be done in fair interleaf notebook. सारा काम fair interleaf notebook में करना है. And you are required to include class notes that is already shared with you, in-text and back questions of the chapter. You are aware that you have got in your NCERT textbook, in all the chapters you have got in-text questions and back exercise question answers. So you are supposed to do that also in your fair notebook. By the way, this work I have already asked you to do it while I was teaching, and the PDF for these in-text and back questions for these chapters I have already shared with you in the WhatsApp group. Then assignment questions that I have shared with you, this is to be included, and the diagrams. Okay, so this will complete your biology notebook in all respect. So first 2 questions is regarding completion of biology notebook in all respect. Now question number 3, see this one. Make a project on COVID-19 which should not exceed 6 pages. So I require only a very brief project on COVID-19, and this is just to make you aware about this pandemic. Okay, you should not behave like a layman. You are biology students, you should know what is this COVID-19 all about. So what are the topics to be included in the project? Brief discussion about the causative organism, means virus से होता है, you all know which virus, exact name of the virus. You will be shocked to know 90% of the people, they don't know the name of this virus. Everyone is talking about corona, but what is the exact name of this virus? Only a few know. So causative organism name, its genetic constitution, क्या genetics है, and other things very briefly. Then the technical terms related to the disease, this also you are required to explain. Here by technical terms I mean like क्वारंटाइन, जैसे आपने सुना होगा टीवी में, आइसोलेशन, क्वारंटाइन क्या है और किट का क्या नाम है. ओके, द नेम ऑफ द किट यूज बाय डॉक्टर्स टू प्रोटेक्ट देम, एंड दैट सूट, द नेम ऑफ टेस्टिंग किट, वॉट एवर टेक्निकल टर्म्स you have heard the past 2 months regarding this disease, you are required to write about that again very briefly. Then symptoms of this disease, क्या क्या symptoms है, effects of this disease, prevention of the disease, prevention the most important one. Okay, now note, see this one, do not visit any hospital, do not visit any hospital or do any survey. Gather all the information from the internet and sources like newspaper, media, magazines from this. So this point is really important to mention here. आप कोई भी, मैं सिंपल हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ, प्रोजेक्ट बनाने की यूजुअली आई आस्क स्टूडेंट्स टू डू सर्वे, टू टेक इंटरव्यूज़, टू विजिट हॉस्पिटल्स, बट हेयर आई एम सेइंग नो, डोंट विजिट. आपको घर बैठ के फ्रॉम इंटरनेट, फ्रॉम न्यूज़पेपर ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है. ओके, देन मूविंग फर्दर, I have given you a set of 10 questions, and these questions are really important from board point of view also. So along with this work, you are supposed to write answers to this question in your fair notebook. Again a note, all the holiday homework to be done in biology notebook. Fine, सारा हॉलीडे होमवर्क बायोलॉजी फेयर नोटबुक में होगा, नो फाइल वर्क. आई होप दिस इज अंडरस्टूड टू यू, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दिस हॉलीडे होमवर्क इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ऑल्सो एंड ऑन द साइट, स्कूल साइट ऑल्सो. थैंक यू बच्चों.